Hello. Please hit like button and subscribe my channel. Also press bell icon for future video notifications. Thanks.
Steel-reinforced concrete columns that support many of the world's bridges are designed to withstand earthquakes, but always require inspection and often repair once the shaking is over. These repairs usually involve replacing loose concrete and fractured steel bars and adding extra materials around the damaged area to further strengthen it against future loads. Engineers at Rice University's George R. Brown School of Engineering and Texas A&M University have developed an innovative computational modeling strategy to make planning these repairs more effective. The study by Rice postdoctoral research associate Mohammad Salehi and civil and environmental engineers Reginald DesRoches of Rice and Petros Sideris of Texas A&M appears in the journal Engineering Structures. In this study, we show analytically that those damages can be repaired in a way that the original, or close to the original, performance can be achieved. Their models simulate how columns are likely to respond globally, in terms of base shear and lateral displacement, and locally, with stress in. The models also predict the effects of slipping and buckling of reinforcement bars on the column's strength and ductility before and after repair. The models will be made freely available through the open-source structural analysis software OpenSeas to help engineers understand what types of repairs are preferable, Salehi said. What we mainly care about is life safety, of course, and we know that after a strong earthquake, we are going to see some level of damage to the structure, he said. If a column is severely damaged, it might need to be replaced, but that can be prohibitively expensive. Our computer models can help engineers determine whether the column can be repaired in a cost and performance-effective way. The concrete and steel in reinforced columns are represented in the models by fiber elements. He said the bar slip and buckling modeling tools, unique to the software, were validated against existing experimental data. Although the new study focuses on seismically damaged bridge columns, he said the tools could also be used to evaluate the repair of any structural elements. Original written by Mike Williams. Note: content may be edited for style and length. Mohammad Salehi, Petros Sideris, Reginald DesRoches. Numerical modeling of repaired reinforced concrete bridge columns. Engineering Structures. 2022. 253 to 113801 doi. 10. 1016, J. Engstruct. 2021. 113801 Rice University. New models assess bridge support repairs after earthquakes. Engineers simulate restoration strategies for reinforced concrete columns. Science Daily. https://ift. tt. 3ECOH. Access January 18, 2022. Please support my channel to grow by pressing subscribe button and the bell icon. We will notify you technological news. Thank you.